Hey guys, how are you? So I'm going to answer a question that was put to me. Let me just read it off. Aspiring web dev here. I just want to get a job as such. What is the real benefit of putting out content and being on social media if I am not selling courses or trying to really sell anything for that matter? I get it if some devs are trying to sell courses or services, but does being on social help you get a job? That's a good question. It can help a little bit. You have to make sure that your social media presence online, whether it be on Facebook, Twitter, etc., does not have anything political or anything racy rather, anything that you getting drunk, drinking beer or doing stupidities. You have heard time and time again where companies, when they're hiring people, especially large companies, they're going to be checking through your social media to make sure that you don't have anything on there that is questionable. So, first rule of being a public figure or being a modern person, if you will, which means being on social. If you are on social, make sure that it is clean. No stupidities on your social, number one. Or don't have a social. Number two, put into your social that which would be interesting to employers. Some of the jobs you may have worked on, some of the technologies. I assume you're interested in web dev, of course. Some of the technologies you're interested in, some of the projects you may have worked on, discussions about technology. You want to create this persona, if you will. You want to create an impression with your prospective employers that you're interested in technology, you're interested in programming. That is what you do. What's much more important, though, than a social presence is just a good track record. That's why with my own students, I instruct them to, after they've done the basics, to get in there and start doing a couple of freelance jobs for free, just to start building that real world experience, because that's one of the things a lot of people have to contend with. They say when they go apply for jobs, a lot of the jobs are looking for people with experience, and then they say to me, how can I get experience if I can't get a job? The solution is to do that stagiaire work, as I talked about, doing the 1 to 2, 2 to 3 freelance jobs that you do for free for the sake of honing your skills as a developer, and B, creating a bit of a track record for yourself, creating a portfolio. And with that, of course, you should have a nice looking website that showcases your skills and so on. Even if you're not going to be a designer, people are going to judge you based on the aesthetic quality of the site. I know it sounds silly, but it's just the way we are as humans. So there you go. So is being online, social, that important? Not really, not if you're looking for a job, but whatever social presence you do have, make sure that it is clean and proper. So if you got anything from your college days that's kind of stupid, just remove it. And there you go. I hope that helps. Short little career web dev video. So that's it for now. Bye-bye.